Hey everybody, it's Mina. So I just wanted to show you all something really quick that I thought was like really cool. Now, some time ago I showed you all an album that I made to keep my patterns in, right? I'm starting my organization trip, and so here's my patterns that I've started keeping in here, a catalog of them. Well, what I made this from was, of course, some cotton fabric, and I padded it with I couldn't find my batting, so what I used to pad this with is I can't think of the name of the material, but it's the material that you use if you want to make an ironing board cover, or an ironing board cover. So I thought this was like really cool. So, and I think I could probably use some